Hello and welcome back to the channel. Stop throwing away your money. Episode number 2. Y'all, on this channel, I am here to educate you on different ways that we can do and go about things to help stop wasting your money. Most things that I'm talking about on my channel are things that we just don't know. It's things that no one shares with us, and it's just things that we have not learned and we've never been taught. I just want to say that just to let you know, to give you a little introduction of what this channel is all about. In today's video, I am giving y'all 5 tips to help you to stop throwing away your money. Credit card late fees. Tip number 1, credit cards do not have a grace period. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because so many people do not realize that credit cards do not have a grace period. Tip number 2, you have to pay your credit card payment on or before the due date. Example, say if your credit card payment actually runs on a holiday or a weekend. I will encourage you to make that payment prior to the holiday, which is the business day prior to the holiday, or the business day prior to the weekend, just to ensure that you do not incur a late fee the weekend and before that cutoff time. Every credit card company has a cutoff time for you to make that payment so that it posts the same day. Always know what that cutoff time is. That is one way to avoid your late fees. That is tip number 2. Tip number 3, also remember that late fees can run you anywhere from $30 to $40 per late fee. This is why it's so important for you to make sure you do not pay your credit card payment late. Tip number 4, set up automatic payments. If you do not like setting up automatic payments, set a reminder. Know when your credit card payment is due and set a reminder so that you will know to go ahead and make that payment on or before that due date. Whichever is best for you, I would advise you to do that, and that way you would avoid late fees. Tip number 5, payments made 30 days after the due date will have a negative impact to your credit score. Keep in mind that credit scores are extremely important. So if you cannot make that payment before the 30 days, it will have a negative impact on your credit score. Now, granted, I do understand that things happen and sometimes you're just not able to make that credit card payment. Unexpected things happen. Always reach out to your credit card company to see if there's anything that can be done to avoid it being reported to the credit bureau as late. See if there's something that can be done, maybe a deferment or some type of arrangement or something. Be very specific when you speak to your credit card company and make sure you ask the correct questions so that you can get the correct answers. I do hope that you're enjoying my channel. If this is your first time or your second time stopping by my channel, because this is only episode number 2, thank you and welcome. I really would appreciate it if this is your first time stopping by. If you please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment letting me know if there's anything that you're getting from this channel that I have just started. If you're learning different ways of how to stop throwing away your money, because that is my ultimate goal. I want to help you, and I want to make sure that you know these things that a lot of us just don't know to even ask. So I'm going to be touching on a lot of different things, a lot of different scenarios as we continue with these episodes. If this is something that's important to you or something that you just want to educate yourself on, or if you just love me. Either way, I'm so glad to have you. Also, if you have someone in your family or a friend or anyone that you feel would benefit from this channel and learn some of the things that a lot of us do not know the answers to, please go ahead and share my channel with them as well. I will see y'all in the next episode. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for your continued support. In the meantime, don't forget to stop throwing away your money. It's important that we keep every dime that we have in our pocket or in a savings account, or we're growing and investing that money a different way, not throwing it away in fees. Until next time, bye.